Hi, today I am going to unbox Geepas Brite Light rechargeable emergency Latin. So it's like it mentioned here, it's world's first 200 hours working Latin and awarded Super Hand UE Choice 2015. The model number is E1779NV. So here are some features they mention over here. There's cool white LED, unbreakable PC glass, set screw, battery compartment, and the wall mount hole. For the main features of this, mentioned over here in the box: 24 high luminous intensity white LED. LED runs cool, keep Latin cool to touch, automatic lighting during power failure, energy efficient design and longer battery life, replicable battery pack, 200 hours on low, 7 hours on high power, or charge protection, deep charge protection, and charge indicator LED, electroplated reflector, charging time. This is very important. When you are charging your Latin, you need to know how many hours you need to charge it. It takes 18 to 24 hours for full charge and contain the AC current, that is 220 to 240 volts. This is also important. These two are the main important features you need to remember, and the instructions are given over here. So charge fully for about 24 hours before initial use charge fully. But after using the light before storage, charge fully at least every 3 months during storage. Okay, I'm going to open this now. Content over here is nothing. This box, nothing is there. What in this? I'll show you each and everything what all contains. Is the card, user manual. See the user manual, how to use. There's instructions in different languages. Okay, and there's a warranty card. Remove before use. Okay, strong. The wire is inside this. Okay, yeah, that's all about it. This Geepas emergency Latin. It's very good product. You can have it. That's all about it. Thank you.